Setting up Salesflare for your agency doesn't have to be complicated, and in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to set it up in no time. Stick around because I'll also share a special bonus for you to get started with Salesflare for free, and you'll want to make sure you're taking advantage of that by the end of this video. Salesflare is a CRM tool designed to help agencies track and manage leads, sales pipelines, and customer relationships more efficiently. It's built for agencies that want a tool that integrates seamlessly with their existing workflows, so you can spend more time on high-value tasks and less on manual data entry. First, after signing up, you'll land on the main dashboard. You'll see that Salesflare offers you a clean, organized interface with everything from contacts to email tracking neatly displayed. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your agency's pipeline, which will act as the backbone of your sales process. This is where you'll track the different stages of your deals, from initial contact to closing. Head over to Settings, then Pipelines, where you can customize your stages. Whether you're working with clients, leads, or partners, having the right stages set up can drastically improve your workflow. For instance, you can create stages like lead inquiries, first contact, proposal sent, and closed deals. This allows you to keep tabs on where every prospect is in your funnel. Next, you'll want to connect your email and calendar to Salesflare to streamline communication. This is where Salesflare really shines for agencies. It automatically tracks emails, meetings, and interactions with clients, so you don't have to manually log everything. Just go to Settings again and find the Integrations tab, where you can link your email account, such as Gmail or Outlook. Once connected, Salesflare will automatically capture and log all emails exchanged with your leads. With your email and pipeline set up, it's time to start adding contacts. You can import your existing contacts into Salesflare with just a few clicks. This is incredibly helpful if you're transitioning from another CRM or even just trying to consolidate your contact lists. To do this, head over to Contacts and click Import. You can import from a CSV file or integrate with other software like your email client or Google Contacts. Once you've imported your contacts, make sure to tag and segment them properly. Segmenting your contacts helps you target the right people at the right time with personalized messages. For agencies, you'll want to use tags like lead, client, or VIP to keep track of which contacts require special attention. The next thing you'll need to configure is your workflows. Salesflare allows you to automate repetitive tasks like follow-ups or reminders. If you're an agency owner, you know how valuable automation is for staying organized and reducing manual work. You can set up workflows in the Automations tab, and here you'll create triggers like automatically sending a follow-up email if a lead hasn't replied in X number of days. This simple automation feature helps you avoid losing leads through the cracks. Lastly, don't forget to set up your reporting. Salesflare gives you real-time analytics and insights about your agency's sales performance. Whether you're tracking deal progress, revenue, or email open rates, these insights will help you make data-driven decisions. Navigate to the Analytics tab to get a snapshot of how your pipeline is performing, so you can quickly make adjustments to stay on track. Before we wrap up, remember that setting up Salesflare for your agency can be done completely free by clicking the first link below. You'll get access to exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial to really dive in and see how this CRM can transform your agency's sales process. Don't miss out on that opportunity. Salesflare is a great CRM choice for agencies looking for automation, email tracking, and overall pipeline management. By following the steps I've shared in this video, you'll have everything set up in no time. And don't forget, the link below gives you that extended free trial so you can test it out risk-free. If you found this guide helpful, check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and bonuses.